If you want to embed a YouTube video on a page on your website, then you can do it in 3 or 4 simple steps. Now the first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard and create or select a page. Now in this case, you're just going to create a simple test page here and use it to embed a video on this website and show you exactly how you can do that. Now as that page loads, you can also log into a YouTube dashboard if you're like a creator, if you want to link your own videos. Now remember that you can also like embed other people's videos, like you don't have to do it from the dashboard, but in this case if you're using your own videos, I'll show you how to do that. Now once this section loads, I need to just create a test page here, so just give it a title, test page. I need to go to the content section. Now within the content section here, I'm going to select any video that I would like to embed on the website. Then on this control buttons here, I want to go to the watch view on YouTube section, and then this video opens on a new page. Once this video opens on a new page and loads, I want to look for the share button, which usually appears somewhere down here. Sometimes it takes time to load all these control buttons, depends on the network speed and maybe sometime PC capacity or maybe strength. Now once this loads, I want to click on this share button here, and then the first thing that you see here will be like the share link, but we do not want to use that. This is the link that you can share with, then want to embed it. So if I click on the embed button here, I have this HTML file generated. Now I can decide to create, maybe set a specific time that this video will start playing, or just leave it at it is. If I want to start it at 001 for instance, I just set that up, and then I scroll down here and go look for the embed option, player controls, forward and all that, and I can also enable privacy, and then just tap on copy. Now once I've tapped on copy, I want to go back to my site here, my page here, and like on this block here, add, and then choose, just type custom to have custom HTML, and then I can add it there, and then I can publish this page. Once I've published this page, when I view it, I will now see that the video has been embedded. Now let's wait for this page to publish, and then when we view this page, now you notice that the video has been embedded on this page here. So that's how you can easily embed videos on your website page in WordPress or any other page.